everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable strike price in OlympTrade account. So first of all, launch up an OlympTrade application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here OlympTrade application has been opened. What you have to do is look at the top left corner of your screen. Over here, you'll be able to find your profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. At bottom of this interface, you'll be able to find the option for settings. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. In the section for general, at second, you'll be able to find the option for trading platform. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with trading platform over here. Scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for fixed time. In this section, at last, you'll be able to find the option for strike price. If you enable this option, you'll be able to see the price the trade was opened on the chart. So what you have to do is simply toggle on the button right next to the option strike prices. Now you can see over here the option for strike prices has been toggled on. So simply go back. Now in the chart, you'll be able to find the strike price. So like this, you'll be able to enable strike price in OlympTrade account. So that is how you enable strike price in OlympTrade account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.